Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, today marked the beginning of the new school year, and while it was smooth sailing at some schools, old issues plagued others.
Our coverage this evening begins in Portland and St. Mary, where concerns about the heat to transportation issues marred the first day of school.
Kalisha Williams begins our coverage.
In the past, portable fans were not a priority for students on their first day of school, but now they are a necessity. At least that was the case at the Orokabesa Primary School in St. Mary.
And the heat will affect learning, because if they are sticky, they are sweating, then they won't be able to concentrate. It will affect their attention span.
Acting Principal Winsome McFarlane Forbes says she's hoping that corporate Jamaica can assist the school with wall fans or even air conditioning units. Until then, frequent hydration is at the top of the classroom agenda.
During our orientation period, we reminded the parents that especially on a Monday is water day. So we encourage them to take their water on a Monday, but we'll have to encourage them to take their water daily, every day, because of the heat. And it is important that they remain hydrated.
And it was smooth sailing at the Galena Primary and Infant School in the parish, except for one class.
We are trying to hire notes through the course of the day.
And what is that?
One of our teachers that planned to come, he did not turn up for school, and so we're going to try to sort it out for the rest of the day.
As for Portland, it was the people outside the classroom who had the most problems. First, vendors questioned the government's nutrition policy in schools. It follows the 2019 ban on the sale of sugary drinks in schools.
It's not like we produce anything, so we can produce stuff with less sugar. So for us to follow or to do or to comply with what the government said, the government then have to take in stuff into the country or get people to make stuff into the country that has less sugar. So basically what I offer is what is there. So I offer Lay's, like dry products, Lay's, the regular ones. This is what is in the supermarket. This is what we can buy.
Meanwhile, in the town of Port Antonio, taxi operators are already concerned about the transportation issues in the parish.
The road out by the east, it's kind of, they are working on it. It's a work in progress. So, you have less vehicle running that side too as well. So I think they're going to have a case run by the bus stop. Yes, I think they're going to have a chaos around that side.
As a result, we were told there were simply not enough taxis to transport students to school, and many of the children made things even more complicated.
Instead of catching a vehicle to go to school, they're waiting on a special vehicle. And I think that's one of the most problems we had with some of our students today. Yes, and that's what's causing the chaos a morning time when students to go to school, because they are waiting on a special vehicle, and if that vehicle is not come, then they will sit and they will wait.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.